to, put it to an end. That should put it to a stop. That the economy cannot grow. Like things cannot become better with
Musa,
so many with agitation.
Musa should be telling that one to Boko Haram and bandits in the north. There is no war in the southeastern Nigeria. Anambra Imo State are the most peaceful states I've ever seen in Nigerian history. Igbo man can never just wake up one day and go and continue killing his fellow Igbo man. It's a lie. We've seen it how a Qaeda-led group, ISWAP, are killing people in the northeast, core north, and mid-belt. We oftentimes see how bandits, people that are operating as bandits in the north, who are they? It is the northern elders that can tell the whole world how come about banditry in the north that started during Buhari regime. Who bought the gun? Who bought the guns, their weapons they are using? Are they not the north elites? This time around, Boko Haram was there for how many years now? It is the northern elders that will tell the world what's up with Boko Haram. How come about the meaning of Boko Haram? See, the religious people, religious leaders in the north are the ones that brought in banditry, herdsmen, and Boko Haram to use them as a tool to Islamize the entire north landscape of Nigeria. It did not stop there. It does not stop there because the mid-belt, from mid-belt to southwest, they have invited the Fulani jihadists. They are all over the forest. The Fulani jihadists, they are boasting that they are all over Yoruba forest this time around. So let me tell you, they are using them as a tool to Islamize the whole Nigeria as they boasted before. That's my take.
It should first of all go and dialogue with the Fulanis, the Fulanis and the Boko Haram that always terrorizing the northern. That made the north that don't have peace today. You should go and dialogue with them first. You should leave Samalekwan alone. Yes, let you leave Samalekwan alone. Let you live in Nandekan alone. Let you go and solve their problem first. The Boko Haram and the so-called herdsmen that always terrorizing the innocent soul, innocent villagers for the farmland. Let you go and solve that one first. That one is very important for Nigeria. The killing here and here, state by state in the north. Let you come and go and solve that problem. If the chief of army staff, it's the commander in chief of army staff, yeah, the armies. Let you solve those ones first. Not Samareka is different to Nigeria issue. You understand? That you come out to drop agitation and they come out for dialogue. Dialogue for what? Dialogue for the marginalization or the hatred or the tribalism that we are passing through in Nigeria. Is it what to do the dialogue? That some people to come and a dialogue with them. Or in now they come to come and dialogue with them. That we should pray for Nigeria. The Tinubu government. The one we are praying for today for Buhari, what is change? Do we see change? Of course, they come out for change. They said that they need change. They come for change. They suppress the Jonathan government. They suppress the Jonathan government. They put Jonathan away. So they need a change. End of the day, they bring a change. What you saw in Nigeria is change, not change. What you saw is change. The Buhari government come out and come on board and change Nigerians. End of the day, they come out again. They say next level. What level? That is the propaganda that Nigeria always use. To fool Nigeria, to fool Nigerians. And the fools always follow them. Always dancing to their own tune. Always follow them up and down. What things are not working well? Now you come now and say we should come and pray for Tinubu. Whose prayer? Whose prayer are we going to pray? How long will we continue praying for Nigeria? Do they care whether we are praying for them? Are they care? They do not care. Whether we are dying day by day for them, in name of prayer, for Nigeria to be better. They care for you? They do not care. Do they care for their selfish interest and their so-called their political ambition? What you are passing through, and the children are passing through what you are passing through here. Of course, their children are not here. Their children are enjoying in overseas. Free money. What did they not suffer for? Now you come out and say that I should pray for the Tinubu government. In 1 year, we haven't seen anything. Rather, Nigeria is one Saddam. One Saddam by day. Nothing will add money that will come down. Always add and go. Instead of Nigeria to move forward, Nigeria is going forward, back forward. That's what we are seeing in this government. Are we seeing anything good in this government? No. Of course, no. A common man cannot be able to fill the square to 1 square meal a day. Hardly before he eat a day. Hardly. One Nigeria has everything to succeed in life. One Nigeria have many resources. What they focus is oil. Crude oil. That make them lazy today. Make Nigerians lazy. Only oil. Why the other resources is there? They don't care about the other resources. What they care is oil. Crude oil. That's why Nigeria is lazy today. They're coming the Samalekpa to come and dialogue with them. Do you think that we're a fool? Of course, we're not a fool any longer. What they know, we have no more than them. What they think that they can do, we have to understand it more than them. Before they take it, we have no. Let you leave Samalekpa alone, leave Nnamdi alone. Let them solve their problem. What we need is freedom. Let this country separate. Separation is the solution of this country. Without that separation, you and I will control lamenting day by day. You and I will control lamenting. Sweating by day by day when we have everything. We are not supposed to suffer in this country. The citizens of this country not supposed to suffer. At all. Because of the wicked leaders we have in this country. The Britain and the Fulanis. They are the ones killing this country. Of course, they have sink the country, finish, bury the country. What remains in Nigeria now is to cement in Nigeria. I don't always say them. What remains in Nigeria to cement in Nigeria, Nigeria has already buried already. Nothing remains here. People are suffering day by day, begging up and down. You saw our youth begging up and down. So they should leave that side. They should think about their problem, how to solve their problem. They should leave the Samalekpa alone. They should leave the Igbo alone. The Biafra, they should leave the Biafra alone. What can solve this problem? Whether they like or not. What can solve the problem is everybody to find his way. That's what will solve the Nigeria problem. Without that, we'll control like this. Are you saying Nigeria? Did you say Nigeria moving forward? No? Backwards, always, every day by day. Backwards. What will buy 10 naira today? You will think that maybe you will later come down. Tomorrow you buy it 15 naira. So the thing will be crazy. Is Nigeria moving? No? So what are they talking? That is Samalekpa to come and dialogue with them? Or they want to go and dialogue with Samalekpa? They want Samalekpa to come back so that they will package as the packaging now they cannot. You cannot work for them. God will resist them. The evil plan they have against the Easterners. The evil plan that Nigeria government have for Easterners. Well, they don't have good plan. As long as the Easterners is concerned. Nigeria does not have good plan against the Easterners. Nothing a good plan. Nothing. They don't think whether the Easterners are existing. They don't want the Easterners to work with them. No. They pack the Easterners to one side. And the eating what belongs to everybody. Any single thing the federal government done in the same part of that, I always ask that question. No single. The federal government of Nigeria after Nigeria Biafra war. This is 1970. When the war ended. And they promise to put everything in order. End of the day, not say good thing. What is on the inside part of the country is by individuals. That's what is on the inside part of the country. But we're so good, but we're tasked. We task ourselves. Which way to survive? We are surviving today in Nigeria. The Igbos are surviving in Nigeria today. It's by His grace. It's God that did the Igbos. Without that, we could have rubbish in this country. The country does not follow the Easterners. They don't want us to close to them. Okay, look at what is going on in the seat of power. Look at what is going on in the companies, in offices. What you will see there, the head is the Fulani Hausas, the Yorubas. They don't want Igbo man to near there. They don't want you to benefit. What belongs to you? Don't they give you a little? I will say we should dialogue with them. We should pray for Tinubu. Tinubu that the storm man, the Igbo man mandate. Well, that you know that yes, this does not belong to you. It does not belong to you. And you hijack it. You use your money to manipulate and hijack what does not belong to you. What do you think? Is that one Nigeria? Do you expressing one Nigeria? Do you see one Nigeria? Of course, we are just fooling ourselves. The solution of this country is, answer your father's name. Let me answer my father's name. Yes. Answer your father's name. Let me, answer my own father's name. That's the solution. With the dialogue or not, my brother, they marginalize that the hatred will continue. We will see continue in Nigeria. Because Nigeria does not believe in one. Nigeria believes that some part believe that they are the owner of the country. They believe that they are the owner of the country. Of course, you can see how the government, how they are running the government. You can see what is going on there. You can see the kind of game they are playing. That is why our sovereign leaders, and that's it for them. That's it for Fulanis. Fulanis that they're supposed to come and dance for me. My people go there, go and be dancing for them. Serving them because they want to get power. They want to be there. They want to get power. After that, they will rubbish them. So what are we talking? They know for what? Do you think that you will succeed for their evil plan? No. You can never succeed. Because God is watching everything. As it's going, God is watching. The one you do in backyard, God is seeing you. If nobody saw you, God is watching you. So let me tell them. Dialogue or no dialogue, my brother. You dialogue, no dialogue, Nigeria will continue messing. Because they have polluted the land, they have polluted the land already. The US and the North and the Britain have polluted this country. When you abandon one the other region, how do you think that the country will move forward? How do you believe that you will succeed in your country? How do you believe that the country will move forward? They say Wazobia. What you are hearing now is Wazo. Beer is apart. They remove beer. What you are hearing today is Wazo. No more Wazobia again. So, are you trying to fool me as a kid? You can no longer fool me. I'm not a kid any longer. You cannot come out and fool me. I'm fooling me up and down. No. I'm more than that. I will overcome it. So, Nigeria to think about their own problem. Let them live with the Biafran alone. What is the Biafran are taking? What we are taking is different than Nigeria. Of course, we cannot reason the same. The Igbo man and the Hausa man cannot reason the same. The Yoruba man and the Igbo man cannot reason the same. Our reason is different. It's different. Our culture is quite different. Which you and I know. Our culture is quite different. We are not one culture. So what are we talking? And you don't love me. I still want me to be here with you. Of course, Nigeria don't love me. I still want me. They are still forcing me to belong with you. Why? It means that I'm a slave. My brother, the solution is answer your father's name. I have said it. Answer my father's name.
So you don't want us to dialogue. You don't want you don't want dialogue between EKPA and the Nigerian government.
The dialogue is how can I put it? Dialogue is just you know, it's like you are putting soup. You cook soup, finish. End of the day, you pack sand and put inside the soup. How can you enjoy the soup? I mean, the dialogue is rubbish. The dialogue cannot bring anything on table. Cannot bring any good thing on table, on top of table. As far as Nigeria is concerned, Nigeria is a very wicked country. They are very wicked. So dialogue or no dialogue, about that, we don't need that. What we need is separation, freedom. That's the key. Because when you say, if you look at the country, you see that nothing is working, nothing is flowing. The masses are begging up and down, hungry day by day, hungry day by day. Nothing balanced. You say we are one. 2 million are benefiting one below to everybody. They make everything easy to the west. They make everything easy to the north. But the easterners are finding it difficult to be there. The easterners are finding it difficult. Difficult. In Nigeria. What an Igbo man could commit. What an Hausa man will commit and go free. Or Igbo man commit and go free, Igbo man cannot go free. Is that one country? So what are we talking? Who is fooling who? That's why I tell you, you cannot fool Igbo man any longer. Enough is enough for the mess. On Biafra, we stand. On Biafra, we stand. Whether they like it or not, on Biafra, we stand. Struggle, continue.